Okay, today we're going to be making a boat. For this boat, we're going to be needing 2 pieces of origami paper. Decide which color you want for your sail and for the bottom of your boat. And we're going to be making the sail first. So I want this red color. And so make the triangle fold. And since I want it to be a red sail, I'm going to do red on the outside. And take one side, the one that opens up, and just kind of fold it over. And you don't have to bring it all the way over. Just like make sure there's some space over here and make sure it's kind of like tilted so that there's more space over here than there is over here. And then after you do this, just kind of bring it over and open up like that. And then when you do that, you'll see that there's the big triangle over here. You just kind of bring that all the way up. And then you also do it a little lower. And then you just kind of bring it up to a lower one. And so when you look closely, there's a little crease where you fold it up. And you're going to need this little flap because you're going to use it to glue it down to the boat. And so right now, this is your sail, and it's very easy to do. And after you're finished with your boat, you could even like add little designs or write something on the sail like I did right here. But we can do that after you finish making your boat. So now for the bottom part, just open it up, and the color you want is going to be on the outside. So you do the triangle fold right here, and then you open it up and do the triangle fold the opposite way. Like this. And so there's going to be a little X in the middle of the paper. And what you do now is that you take one of the ends and take the opposite ends and bring them in the middle. Just these 2 ends, you don't need the other 2. Okay, and now that when you have this, you bring these edges and you bring them to the middle. So there's going to be a middle crease right here. So like this. And it looks like this. And you do that to the other side as well. And now you fold it in half like this. And this isn't your boat yet, don't worry. And so, okay, open it back up and you'll see these little gray squares right here. So what you need to do is that you kind of need to fold it all the way up. So when you do this, you're going to have to fold it up to the line. So when you open it up, you'll see that your crease meets these 2 points, like this, when you fold it back up. Like that. And so you do that to this side as well. Bring it up and fold it in like so. And so you'll have these 2 things, and you need to open it back up and fold them down so they don't show. Just like this. And then you fold it back in. And you do the same for this side as well. And so now you have this. And what you do now, so because it kind of opens up and you see the end and it looks kind of messy like this, you take one of the inside flaps and you just open it up. It doesn't matter which flap you choose. And now with this open, you kind of close it back up like this, right? So it's kind of like this open flap. And you see how these flaps, you kind of attach them to this one right here. So it's kind of open like this. And then you just close it on top of it. oops, right here like this. So then you can't see it anymore. And you're going to close it back down. Like this. And so now the inside you can't see it anymore and the edges they're sealed together. And so now you take this and a little glue stick and you just kind of glue the flap a little, the one that you made earlier right here. And you just apply a little bit of glue on. And then you just glue it on the ship right there, right in the bottom. And then you close it back up. And oops, you've got your sail. And so now this is where you would start designing and do whatever you want. Okay.